Hi everyone, Kendall Peterson, the Cash Whisperer here. And you know, it's 2014, we're 5 years into a financial recovery. The question is, do you feel like you're in a recovery? Here's what's going on. The U.S. economy requires the sales of houses, automobiles, and other big ticket durable items. And unless you're paying cash for those things, and you have to have an excellent credit score in order to get the best price for things. The credit score affects much more than just buying a house or buying a car. It's starting to affect every aspect of your life, like buying insurance. It could keep you from getting a job. If you have a job with the government or you're a civilian that has a security clearance, it could either have your security clearance yanked if your score is low enough, or it could even get you fired. We're going to risk-based retailing. Companies are leaving the affinity cards, and what they're moving to is branded Visa and MasterCards. And so if your score is bad, you're going to get a regular Visa. If your credit score is better, you're going to get the gold or the platinum Visa, and that's going to give you bigger discounts. It means you're going to pay more for common items than I am because of the scores. Most people mistakenly believe that if you pay your bills on time, that everything's going to be great and your score will be okay. It's not that way anymore. Right now, we're in a system, we're in the FICO system. That changed in 2000. Now it's only 35% of your score making sure your bills are paid on time. There's almost 70%, there's 65% of the aspect that's completely different in the formula that doesn't have anything to do with that. And so if you think that just paying your bills on time is going to get you a good score, that's Blockbuster thinking in a Netflix world. So I've been in the banking and finance industry since 1996. I've seen the changes that are coming along, and let me tell you, my business partners and I have just rolled out iRestore. It's a complete education system for credit restoration and score boosting. Because let's face it, the traditional repair solutions for people's credit aren't effective any longer. Methods like bankruptcy, enrolling in Consumer Credit Counselling, hiring a debt consolidation company, trying to settle the debt yourself, all those are antiquated technologies that were only moderately effective during the last century anyway, and they're really much less effective now. So using those techniques, it's going to take you 7 to 9 years to clear things up. You might think if you finish it, you're going to finish it debt-free, but you're still going to end up with lousy credit and broke. And so it's going to take you another 5 to 7 years to rebuild, which means you're actually looking not 7 years, but you're looking at 12 to 16 years total. So we employ a proprietary technology system that we call rapid restructuring. It's got 3 components to it. We have a credit restoration and score enhancement strategy. We've got debt filtration and elimination, and then we apply the FICO algorithms to your personal situation. Your financial professional may not even know what FICO stands for, and if they don't know what the name means, you don't even have to ask them if they understand the system. Now, for the 1 or 2 out there that you run into that might know the answer to the question of what does FICO stand for, ask them how the algorithm works and how you should apply that algorithm to your specific situation, and then get ready for the blank stare. Because if they don't understand the algorithm and how to restore it, they're not going to be able to tell you if you've got a derogatory reporting issue, if it's the mix that you have of revolving versus installment credit, if you're not optimizing your credit card utilization in order to make the score higher. If they don't have the formula, they're not going to know the answers. So with iRestore, we're not just improving your credit score, but we're enhancing your financial literacy too. Now, every situation is different. We have to take a look and see what your situation is. Typically though, our clients see a 50 to 100 point boost in 90 days. Ask your realtor friend or your local banker if that's a significant amount, because it really is. So click on the link below, and in the description, it's in order to contact me. Email me at kendall@consultant.com. That's KENDALL @consultant.com. Consultant is singular. And learn how iRestore can help you achieve true financial peace that you've been looking for.